Hello, today I'm going to be telling you guys how to find the IP address of your computer and how to check your internet speeds using websites. So, first thing is you're going to want to come down to either Google Chrome or Safari or anything like that, and you're going to want to open it up. The first website you're going to be visiting is going to be www.whatismyip.com. And you can see on here, it tells you your public IP, which is going to be this big long number right here. I'll enhance this for you guys. Your regular IP and your local IP. So these are going to be what number everybody sees if you connect to a Wi-Fi server. And it can tell you what internet services you're using. The location should be more accurate. But the good thing about this website is that you can always contact them and they'll help you change that. But your IPs are accurate. Um, and you can on this it can tell you how to hide all of this information on your computer from when you connect to those Wi-Fi servers. With a VPN, which is just another form of security. And if you explore, it tells you what your public IP could be. What is an IP address? What is an IPv6? Um, and things of that nature. So this is very helpful um, for you to know what it is in case you ever have to give your IP to somebody to be able to look up. So for example, if your Mac crashes, you have to give an IP number. This is a good way to look up your IP number fast without having to dig through boxes. So next we're going to check the internet speeds. In order to check your internet speeds, you're going to go on to www.speedtest.net. So it tells you what internet you're using, which is AT&T internet is what I'm using, and it's going to tell you your server, which is San Diego in California. So you're going to want to click go, and it's going to run this test. The first one is going to be your download speed, and the next one's going to be your upload speed. Okay, so as you can see, my download speed is going to be 75.5 megabits per second. My upload speed is going to be at 19.63 megabits per second. And you're going to be thinking, well, what does this mean to me? Like, is it good? Is it bad? Whatever, right? So, in order to check if it's good or bad compared to the rest of the country, you're just going to click up here on results, and you're going to be able to check it out compared to the US average download and upload speeds. So, I've run this a couple times before. The first time I got 82.55 megabits per second in the download. The second time I got 82.19. This time I got 75.5. So it can vary, and it's probably because I have multiple tabs open that it's changing the speed because the computer has to give energy to other places now. And because I'm running this screencast player. But that's what I got right now. But as you can see, I'm still well above the US average of 21.82, which means it's a pretty fast download speed. If you checking the upload speed is the same thing. You're just going to click upload, and the first time I ran, I got 20.08 megabits per second. The second time I got 20.11 megabits per second. Third time I got 19.63 megabits per second. So again, I'm even though I went down a little on the third one, I'm still well above the US average of 9.89. If we and this will tell you every time that you've checked it, It still tells you your provider. If you change providers, it'll also tell you that. Tell you your location and server. Tell you your upload and download. Which is nice, and you can compare your results to the U.S. average and to each other as well. Um, and this is good because it tells you um, if you try to download something off the internet, it can tell you how fast that's going to be able to go. And your upload speed is just going to be if you're trying to upload something to the internet, it tells you how fast that's going to be as well. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, um, and I hope that this helps you guys out in the future. So thank you so much.